Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert controller or gamepad not working on PC. First, if you are playing the game on Steam, try changing the Steam input settings. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game, and click on Properties. Go to the Controller tab and set it to Disable Steam Input. Close the game if it's running, then relaunch and check. If that doesn't work, go back and try Enable Steam Input instead, then restart the game again. Next, open Device Manager from the Start menu and expand Human Interface Devices. If you see any extra devices like gaming keyboards or unused input devices, right-click and disable them temporarily, then launch the game and check. Now disconnect any unnecessary devices connected to your PC, remove extra keyboards, mouse dongles, USB adapters, extra controllers, or any gaming hardware like wheels or pedals. Keep only your main controller connected. Next, use a wired connection. Connect your controller directly to your PC using a USB cable instead of Bluetooth, then launch the game and check. You can also set your controller manually. Search for USB game controllers, open it, click on Advanced, and select your controller as the preferred device, then relaunch the game. If you are using a PlayStation controller, you can install DS4 Windows and run it in the background to improve compatibility. Also, update your controller using Xbox Accessories app or PlayStation Accessories app if available. Lastly, try launching the game through Steam Big Picture mode and check if it works. One of these methods should fix the issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.